Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm going to start with Excel lecture 2. In this lecture, I'm going to tell you about Excel, its menus, and its basic functions. So, let us see what Excel looks like. This is Microsoft Excel. It has different versions. Mine is Excel 2019. Now I'm going to open it. As you can see, there are different worksheets and you have more templates. But we are going to start with blank template and basic Excel. This is how Excel looks like. This is the menu bar, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help. Below the menu bar, it's the ribbon. This whole portion is ribbon. It has cut, copy, format, painter, merge and center, wrap text, conditional formatting, format as table. And the ribbon is supported by the groups: clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. And each group has a portion. For example, alignment has alignments, wrap text, merge and center. As you can see, below this bar, there is this button. This button, if you click that, it'll give you more options. I will go into them later, but for now, I want you to be familiar with it. So this is Excel Workbook. This is Excel Sheet. You can click the plus icon to open another sheet. You can open as many sheets as you want. These whole sheets are the workbook. This is zoom in and zoom out icon. You can see if I click on the plus side, it zooms in. If I click on the negative side, it zooms out. This is a print layout, page break preview, and this is page layout. I'll go into them later on, don't worry about it. Now, this is just a basic Excel sheet. These are the columns. These are the rows. Remember, they're very important because you need to know, which column are you in, which row are you in. You see, this is the range from G4 to K9. Alright, now I'm going to tell you how it works, how you can use Excel, how you can write and type on it. I'm going to start with a very basic chart. I believe that if I draw or write about a mark sheet, let's say, see, I edited in here, and we can expand by double clicking here. See, before it was like this, and by double clicking here you can see the full mark sheet row. Now, to make a mark sheet, it is very simple to make a mark sheet. There's so many ways to make a mark sheet, but since I'm teaching you, you can see that we can add anything here, like serial number, name, class, marks. Now see, making a basic mark sheet or anything you want to make, a movie list name or a drama list name, name of the number of bed sheets, anything you want to contain, you can do it in Excel. You can, from accounting to medical to any profession or anything. So you see, in serial number I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In name, I'm writing a simple name like Shah, Badr, Afaq, Taha, and Ahmed. We can describe them according to their class or anything you want to. Class B, and you can add marks here. So as you can see that you can add anything on Excel from very basic to an advanced thing, and I have added a data of a class mark sheet here. So Excel can be used for literally anything, and it is very basic and simple to use. This is just an overview of the Excel. I'm gonna go over different functions from tomorrow on, and you're gonna know each and everything about it. Thank you for today.